In this video, you will learn how to get Booking.com promo codes. First, sign up. Sign up for the Genius Loyalty Program. Go. Join Booking.com's free Genius Loyalty Program to unlock exclusive discounts. As a member, you can enjoy up to 10% off selected stays and car rentals. Advanced through the loyalty program levels. On level 2, after completing 5 stays within 2 years, and level 3, after 15 stays in 2 years. You offer additional perks, including up to 20% off, free breakfast, room upgrades and priority customer service. Subscribe. Subscribe to Booking.com's newsletter. By subscribing to their newsletter, you can receive a 10% discount on your first booking. Additionally, you can gain early access to flash sales and exclusive offers and discounts that Booking.com offers. Check the deals websites for promo codes. Visit reputable deal websites that list current Booking.com promo codes. For instance, you may find codes applying 15% off early 2025 bookings, or 20% off Genius 3 Level 3 members. Apply promo codes at checkout. During the booking process, enter a valid promo code that you have in a designated field to apply to the discounts in your reservation. Now you know how to get promo codes in Booking.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.